Hello everyone, let's start with the solution of logical reasoning problem number 3. Okay, to solve this problem we have to create 3 departments. So let's do that very quickly. Okay, our first condition is D works in administration and does not like either football or cricket. So let's put D in the administration. Okay. F works in personnel with only A who likes table tennis. Let's put F and A likes table tennis. Third condition is E and H do not work in the same department as D. So E and H do not belong here. They should belong here because personnel is completely filled because of the second condition, that F works in personnel with only A. So we should place E and H here. Our fourth condition is C likes hockey and does not work in marketing. So C must be in administration, and C cannot be here because it is completely filled. G does not work in administration and does not like either cricket or badminton. So G should be in marketing. Okay, then the only person left is B, and B will be in administration. Okay, let's come back to point 4. C likes hockey. So let's put hockey over here. One of those who work in administration likes football. And point number 1 says, the condition 1 says D works in administration and does not like football. So football should come here. None of those who work in administration likes either badminton or lawn tennis. So badminton or lawn tennis should come in the marketing area. 2 of them should like badminton or lawn tennis. The last condition is H does not like cricket. Condition number 1 says D does not like cricket, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth condition says G does not like cricket. So cricket should come here. Fifth condition says G does not like badminton. So G must like lawn tennis. And by default badminton should come here. Third last condition says the one who likes volleyball works in personnel. Okay, so volleyball should come here, and the last sport which is left is basketball. Okay, then I think the solution is ready. This is the solution. Thank you.